Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm just messing with IGTV. Try to see if I can post a vertical video. And I'm just gonna warm up the RX-7. It's been like 2 weeks that I don't turn on. But before that, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate, humble for all the support, likes, comments. In less than 3 days, I think I'm almost hitting 300 views, and I don't think it's a record or something like that, but for me it's really important. Really appreciate your help. It will help me promote the channel, and it will help me keep motivated to bring more stuff for you guys. Let's do this.